Today we are doing unboxing video, and as you can see, we've already unboxed some of the things we bought yesterday. We bought some pots here. In Kenya, most of the time they are called the amber pots. I think it's because of the first person who was seen with them was Ambare, so everybody is calling them amber pots. So this is how they look. I bought the black ones. I just love black colors because most of the stuffs in the kitchen are black. So this is how it looks. This is the lid. This is how it looks. Very beautiful and very heavy. Just a casserole. They say it's granite casserole set. Granite. Here, granite. So that is one of the pots. This is the biggest, and it's very deep. So this is how it looks. It can be used on ignition, the instant hot. Called what? The one for cooking with the steamer, electricity. It's very friendly for that. So this is the biggest. Then there is which? Oh, this one has a kifuniko. I hope this one can share with you. Oh no! The previous pot we had, they shared the lid. So this one is for there. You cannot close here. So this one cannot be used for here. But there. We also bought this one is shared. This one is okay. We also bought an extra pan, the same color. The pots, and I can see it's the same size. I think it's size 28. They say it's size 18, but it's okay. So the colors the lids can share. This is 28. Then there is this. This is their pan, but I think it's very deep for a pan. That's why we got an extra pan. This comes with is it a set? No. 3 spoons. 3 silicone spoons. They say they are silicone. We hope they are silicone because previously we've been scammed. So we have this. Then we added a sugar dish. As you can see, it's still black and very beautiful. Look at it. It's very beautiful. Although it's already peeling, but it's okay. This is how it looks. It's very beautiful. I don't like the golden color, but now it seems that this is the color we are going to have in this kitchen. Though previously we've been having black, but it's okay. This is another one. Where is the lid for this one? Here. This is the lid. So this is what we bought for the pots. The social media pressure just caught up on us. And said, hey, and we have this. If you know, you know. This is what we used to play with when we were kids. Nowadays, kids are on phones. We used to play with this one. These ones used to come with radios, and if you buy a radio, the ones for battery used to come when it's inside here. Now it's coming with, I think this glass lids were put inside so that they don't break. So this is what we used to play with when we were kids. And every time I come across this thing, I always do this. Every time. This is just therapy. Me releasing my childhood traumas. This is very therapeutic. You see, this kid cannot even relate. Do this. Okay. Do it. Do like this. Wake up there, Basi. Come up. Okay.
What is inside here?
Let's see what is inside. Let's see what is inside here.
a snake.
No, it's not a snake. Let's see what is inside.
Maybe snacks.
No.
Snacks.
Oh, snacks. No, this is not snacks. Let's see what is inside.
Here, you don't start
Where?
here.
Okay, let me cut. You want me to cut here? Like that.
Not opening.
So, you need to be very careful when opening this. Ma, Neil, give me that knife.
Iko poa.
See, even our knives are same black. So our kitchen is mostly black. Even whatever is inside here is still black. Hey, the people who are closing these things, they were doing it as if we are never going to open. Neil, guess what is inside? Guess.
It's snakes.
No snacks. Nicole, guess what is inside here?
Something for the kitchen.
What?
Cups.
So we added more dinner set. So we have cups, side plates, and some bowls. This is the type of bowl we bought. This is the current bowl. This is the cup. Looks better. It's okay. This is the previous one. This is what we've been having. This is bigger. See? This is bigger. That is okay. I was looking for this, but I was told this is out of stock. This is they don't even look like these ones, but it's okay.
Mom, why you are pushing?
Sorry. This is the side plate. Still very small. Looks very small. And then the cups. Then here you have the bigger plates here. Let me compare them with the previous ones. This is the big one. This looks bigger. How many are the same size?
Same.
No.
But this is deep.
This is deeper. This is smaller.
Yeah.
This is bigger. But they're almost the same. Then this. Then that. That's how it looks. Then there is this. This is still a big plate. You can give me the nini. The cup. The cups, the black ones. There is that.
Let's get this one.
And there is that one. I think I changed the cup. I bought the Lumina cups for this. So this is the cup I bought. It doesn't look the same color. Then there's the soup plates. These are the soup plates. This is how they look. They look a bit smaller compared to the previous ones. These are the same. And these ones are the same size. Yeah. So that is what we bought. And everything here is the same as what we've just unboxed. So this is the whole set like this. And that's all we have here. Thank you for watching, and it's a bye for now. Bye bye. You can say bye bye.
Bye bye.
Okay. Say bye bye.